What's going on, guys? We are back with another video today. BTS. We heading out.
Oh man, you guys are good, man.
Oh, I thought you were kicking this out, dude. Jeffrey's red E46 M3 and Kenneth's gold E46 M3 here. Today we are in Long Beach, California. Right now we're gonna get some rollers, just gonna set up, and then we'll be heading out. Comment down below, what's your favorite M chassis? Honestly, man, these look so sick. The arches look dope as hell. But yeah, let's get going, guys. You guys wanna win that Grammy? You can. Damn, it's pretty tough getting rollers like this, not gonna lie. My shoulders and my back are killing me. It's much easier if you have a car rig, honestly. This is tough. This is a good workout. What you wanna see right now, dude?
Right here, dog.
Nah, I don't wanna imagine. Bah! Nah, dude, I'm gonna eat shit, dude.
Oh, that's hard, bro. Look at that. Look at the background, fool. Oh, shit. It's over, dog. I'm good already. I could go home, man. Damn, look at that shit.
Damn.
Yellow and red, fool, coming at you, fool. Damn, drop that one's clean, dog. Shit, fool. Fuck. Shit ain't even fucking color graded yet, man.
Nah, dude.
Shit, yeah.
Damn, look at that, the switch right there, dude, look at that.
That shit's still an S-Log, bro.
That's right, right there, Jeffrey, then boom!
Oh! Let's go throw a teaser right now, dog.
All right, that's enough, that's enough.
That's enough, man.
Hit up the OnlyFans, you wanna see this raw footage. Yeah, here's a little bit better, it's more open. No, it's good, you're good right there, yeah.
Oh man, you guys are good, man.
Oh, I thought you were kicking this out, dude.
Yeah, man. Do what you guys do, man.
Okay, no, we're not. I don't know if we're bugging or anything. Just let us know. We can head out, man. You know.
What's up, buddy, Filipino? Hey, how do I get that longshoreman job, man?
Yeah, this is all the drone stuff. Is that? It's nothing crazy, but you know, at least we got a little drone. I'll have you reversing. Okay, just go straight now. Just straight back, yep. Okay, go a little bit more. Okay. Reverse a little bit. Okay, right there. po-po's here.
You guys gotta leave.
Well, got kicked out of there pretty quick. That's pretty common there, though. It's because this spot is like I think it's owned by like the Navy. So it's like private property. So yeah, they usually kick you out here pretty quick. Kind of sucks, but we got some shots in.
You guys want to eat? I don't know.
Shit.
Something around here?
I'm down to eat. If you guys are down, I don't know. That's pretty much gonna wrap it up. We are done. Just gonna go ahead and eat with the guys. And yeah, stay tuned for the reels, all that good stuff. We'll see you guys on the next one.